everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I've got a cute little helper with me. This is my daughter Chloe, and when she heard I was going to be making fruit mince pies, she wanted to help out. So it's definitely going to be a whole lot messier than when I do baking or anything on my own, even DIY, but it's going to be fun. Okay, so what do we need to make the fruit mince pies? First thing first, we need to preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Now that we have our oven set to 220 degrees Celsius, let's show them what we're going to need to make the fruit mince pies. So we're going to need 1 jar of fruit mince. That's it. 1 apple. Hold it. Finely chopped, or we're actually going to grate the apple, it'll just be quicker. The zest of 1 lemon. I know this looks like a lime, but it is a lemon. And ice and sugar for dusting. Where's the ice and sugar? You must show them. And ice and sugar for dusting. Then for the pastry, we're going to need flour, unsalted butter, caster sugar, you put down. Then over here we've got 2 eggs. We're going to need 1 for the pastry and 1 for glazing the top of the fruit mince pies afterwards. First thing we need to do, now that our oven is getting to 220 degrees Celsius, is take paper and put butter in our trays. Yeah. So I got paper over here. Piece for you. Piece for me. All you want to do is just put a little bit on there like that. Let me help you. So you see how I've got it? Hold it like that. Yeah. And then you just take a little bit and you go like that. I'm going to push harder than that. See, I got lots on. There you go. And then you put it in the tray. And you go around like that. So you get the whole tray covered like that. Our trays are ready. Next thing we're going to do is make the pastry. Let me take that from you and put it on the side. That's out of the way. For the pastry, we need a mixing bowl. We need 375 grams of flour. Can you please pass the flour? And the measuring jug. The scale measuring jug thing. Next we need 260 grams of butter. So let's cut our butter. Now that we've measured out our butter, we're going to add it to the flour, and then I'm just going to mix it in with my fingers until it forms like a crumb-like mixture. Want to chuck the butter in there for us? Thank you. All of it.
All of it?
Yeah. There's a little bit more. There you go. Now I need to go in with my fingers. I suppose your hands are clean, you could wash your hands. Squeeze all the flour into the butter, and then it must look like crumbs. Like
Crumbs?
Yeah. I'll show you when I get it.
Like that?
Almost like that's crumbs. Is it fun to mix? Oh. Okay, now that the butter and flour is mixed together, we are a real mess. Show them your hands. I'm gonna go wash our hands and then come back and put in the last of the stuff for the pastry. Let's go wash your hands. Okay, we're back with clean hands and a very messy table, but that's fine. Next thing we're gonna
table.
Yeah, super messy table. Who made all this mess?
I did.
It's blame Damien. She's always blaming her brother. She actually blamed me this time. It's me that made the mess. Oh, Chloe. Okay. Next thing, we're going to need 1 egg and 125 grams of caster sugar. Okay, I'm going to put the caster sugar in the bowl. Oopsie. Or you can put some outside the bowl. And you say it's me that missed. Is that me also?
Yeah.
Can you put the bowl outside, please? And there's your jug there. Okay, now we need the egg. Just the 1 egg, because the other egg we're going to use afterwards to glaze the top of the fruit mince pie. You can use this up your way. Okay, you're gonna crack the egg for me.
Yeah.
Here's a spoon. Or are you gonna crack it on the bowl? Got it. Over the bowl, over the bowl. Oh no. We got 1 egg. 1 eggshell in and some egg on the table.
Egg not.
And the egg underneath the bowl. Got the eggshell out. Let's make sure there's no more.
Egg so hot.
Yeah, we don't eat the eggshell.
Oh.
Just eat the egg.
Egg.
Here's your spoon.
I mix now.
We were supposed to beat the egg.
Beat egg.
Okay, so if you're gonna make this at home, first beat the egg. That's why I got the bowl to beat the egg in. Then add the caster sugar and then mix it all together. Let's mix. Okay, I think we got it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, enough eating. Next step. We need to roll that into a ball and put it in the cling wrap. Then we're going to put it in the fridge for a half an hour to set before we roll it out and cut it into little circles for our trays.
I want your potato.
You can put the last piece on. Okay, I'm going to put this in the fridge for half an hour.
I put cream.
So we're back. We got clean hands, clean as possible table, which is not easy because it's, yeah, but it's looking a lot better. And we're going to make the fill-in for our fruit mince pies. So what we need is 1 jar of fruit mince. Wow, you're strong. That smells good. Smell. Okay, so with this, we're going to take all of it and put it into this bowl.
Or I can put it in that bowl.
You can do that for me. Okay, while she's doing that, I'm going to grate the apple.
Take the apple.
Yes.
See? Okay. 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 I missed it.
It's fine. This tablecloth is already so messy. Definitely gonna have to wash it.
We need that.
We need all of it. I'm gonna scoop all of it from the end of it. Please.
Apple is so funny.
Next, we need the zest of 1 lemon.
1 lemon.
You can keep mixing. I mix a little bit for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it's sticky. The whole spoon is sticky. There you go. Are you done cooking with me? Are you quitting?
Are you going to that?
Going to Damien. Okay. I've lost my helper because her brother's standing there. Fruit mince is ready. And now we're going to head over to the kitchen and roll out our pastry because it's definitely been more than 30 minutes and it's ready. Okay, we've already battered our trays, so we're just going to go straight ahead and put the pastry in. Just going to smooth it around the sides. This one's looking good. Gonna go ahead and do the next one and we'll check in after that. Now that we got the tops cut out and the hearts cut out, we're going to put the mixture into the bottom half of the fruit mince pie and then cover it up and get it in the oven. Just gonna dab a little bit on the edges, yeah, and then I'll paint the top part before I stick it on. Now that this is all pushed down firmly, lock it in place. I'm going to take a heart and just put a little bit of the egg on there. Take the heart and stick him on. Looking cute. Now that we have the tops on our fruit mince pies, the last thing to do is to poke a hole so that the steam can escape. So I was thinking of maybe just making a few lines like on the side, something like that. Kind of looks like a arrow shooting through the heart. Now that that's done, you need to take your egg and glaze the top. And lastly, put it in the oven to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. So here's the finished product. I think they look cute, but I was so disappointed when I took them out the oven because I set the timer for 20 minutes instead of 10 to 15 minutes. So they did get a little browner than I'd hoped for. But last step was to just dust icing sugar over it like that, and it still looks pretty. And I'm sure they're going to taste so good too. Oh, it looks pretty inside. It actually wasn't too hard to cut through. Like, it was a little bit crunchy on top. Yeah, we put it in too long. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Cheers. I think we did a good job. It's still nice and warm. It's so light and fluffy, even though I left it in for a little bit longer than I was supposed to. I'm happy with the way it came out. You enjoyed making it? Yeah? It was very messy. There is stuff on the table, on the floor, everywhere. It's going to be a big cleanup, but it was so worth it. It was so much fun. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like down below. I will leave the recipe down in the description box as well as a link to where I found the recipe. We'll see you again soon with a new Christmas video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.